Hey guys, this is Tracy Justice Wright. I'm traveling across the state of Washington and want to talk with you about how we can recover from this COVID crisis. Many of you know from my past that I worked for the military-industrial complex, and I also worked for the banking industries for Fortune 500 companies. And during my time working there, I had access to data that I ran statistical analysis on, and came to discover that 4 6-hour shifts per week was the highest productivity. That is a 24-hour work week. A 24-hour work week would enable big companies that are producing stuff to have 4 shifts per day, and thus enable people to social distance and employ more people. If we had shifts for teachers, we could do 2 6-hour shifts, a early morning shift and a afternoon shift, and then we could social distance students as well and have smaller class sizes. These are just a couple of ways that the 24-hour work week would help us with getting back to work during the COVID crisis. It also would enable us to continue spending more time with our families, which has been a problem that people have really been brought to, is our mental health crisis. And a lot of that is due to the family breakdown, because instead of having one income families like we did before World War II, we now have 2 income families where they barely make ends meet. So what should have happened when all of our hard-working soldiers came back and the women who were running the corporations when they were gone, we should have cut everybody's work in half. Instead, because of greed, we are working 40 hours, 50 hours, 60 hours, many 80-hour work weeks just to make ends meet. Just a few ideas. Thank you for your interest. Any questions? Thanks.